Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Financial Fitness with CA Ashima Abel Yunus and to this video which is part 3 in the series on top 20 budgeting tips for financial planning which can help you achieve financial success. Budgeting allows you to create a spending plan for your money to ensure that you always have enough for the things that are truly important to you, be it the well-being of your family and loved ones, or saving for your later years of retirement, or giving back to the society. Always remember, happiness doesn't result from what we get, but from what we give. Also remember that budgeting doesn't mean no fun allowed. Instead, you must factor in fun in your budget and allocate a part to vacation or any other mode of entertainment like watching movies, going out with your friends or family or any other. In this part 3, I will share a few more budgeting tips in addition to those shared in part 1 and 2. So, to help encourage and inspire more people to embrace the power of becoming financially literate, make sure you watch this short video to the end so that you don't miss on any of these golden tips on budgeting. But before I go ahead with this video, I would request you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's totally free. You can just log in on YouTube with your email ID and subscribe. Click on subscribe icon, share it with your family and friends. You can also share it in the WhatsApp groups in your phones. I will just take a quick pause for only 5 seconds so you all can share time to click on subscribe icon, like icon and also click on the bell icon that you will find below the video. Please do that while I wait for just 5 seconds. Okay, so now I'll quickly introduce myself for the new viewers. I am C. Ashima, a finance professional, a qualified chartered accountant, and a certified auditor, and a certified ERP implementation specialist specializing in finance, tax, IT, and audits. I worked as a partner and a director with one of the top 25 leading CA firms in India, which has also been a member firm of one of the big fours. After working in India for a period of 10 years, I moved to Sweden and have also worked as a senior financial consultant with a multinational and have catered to corporate clients in Sweden, Finland, Norway, Denmark, and the UK. I have also been working as a freelance financial consultant. To start with, first I will quickly take you through the list of the first 8 budgeting tips that I have shared in detail in part 1 and 2 of this series. The first one is to follow 50-30-20 rule. The second is to segregate needs versus wants. Third is to create your budget before the month begins. Fourth is to practice budgeting to zero. The fifth is to use the right tools. Sixth is to save first, then spend. The next is save for tithe, donations, and charity. Eighth one is prioritize debt repayment. You can watch part 1 and 2 in this series of top 20 budgeting tips to understand these first 8 in detail. Now let's look into the next one, which is start contributing to retirement now. You've likely heard it before, but I'll say it again. It's never too early to start saving for retirement. If possible, consider maxing out your employer's retirement matching program. Starting early can ensure that you don't put extra strain on your budget further down the line as you attempt to catch up. I have a separate video dedicated on this topic where I have shared 7 golden rules for planning a great retirement, which you can watch by either clicking on the I button above or you can search for this video on my YouTube channel page and or in my playlist. The next is, as I said in the beginning, don't forget to factor in fun. Part of an ironclad budget is planning for fun in addition to everything else. If you describe a guarantee or a plan as ironclad, you are emphasizing that it has been carefully put together and that you think it is absolutely certain to work and be successful. When you put out money aside for non-essential activities, you ensure there is enough to enjoy without the risk of overspending. Whether it's a weekend getaway, a night out with friends, or a special treat, setting aside a small amount of money each month is a great way to stay on the top of your finances and you can avoid sacrificing fun for financial freedom. The next one is to keep bills and receipts organized. Keep your bills and receipts organized in case you need to refer back to a bill to dispute it. This may also come in handy for tax purposes. If you receive your bills and receipts mostly via email, you may want to file everything electronically. You can also choose to file documents physically via expandable folders. If you opt for physical filing, sort your documents by account or by month, depending on what works for you. So friends, now it's time to wrap up this video, where we looked into the top 11 budgeting tips for financial planning which can help achieve financial success. You can also watch my other videos where I have shared information about how to plan a great retirement, different schemes for making foreign remittances like $1 million scheme for NRIs and LRS scheme for residents, and tax benefits and tax exemptions for NRIs as well as residents on sale of house property, tax benefits for returning NRIs like RNOR tax status, and how to avoid double taxation with the help of double taxation avoidance agreements between different countries, and many other videos related to financial planning and investments, which are not only relevant for NRIs but for all others as well, like best investment tips for beginners, how to invest in international stocks, and benefits and risks involved in overseas investments, and many more. I hope you all will benefit with the information shared in this video. And if you find this information useful, then please make sure you click on the like icon and please do subscribe right now if you haven't done that yet. You just need to log in with your email ID on YouTube to subscribe. That's it. It's totally free for all. So do it right now. Subscribe, like, and share. Share it with your family and friends, and do share it in the WhatsApp groups in your phones as well. So with that, I wish you all a happy budgeting and a happy living. Stay happy, healthy, and wealthy. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.